How to fix uninstalling games from Xbox does not free up disk space issue on Windows and Xbox. 1. Manually delete the game folder from your C drive. Note that you need to check the following two folders: C:\users \username \appdata /local /packages and C:\program files /Windows apps 2. Use third-party software to find it. Files of the game, CCleaner for Windows, tree size and WinDir stat. 3. Clear locally saved game data on your Xbox console by launching these two options: clear local saved games and clear local Xbox 360 storage. Path, profile and system settings, system storage, manage storage devices. 4. Delete your game manually on the Xbox console. Path, settings, system storage, hard drive games. 5. Remove leftover add-ons. Path, My Games and Apps. See all, manage free up space leftover add-ons option. Select the game from the list, press menu.